I guess we're back now. Welcome back to Axe Over It by, don't even know who it's by. I'll leave a link in the description to get this game for yourself. And I have a pretty poop computer and it runs pretty well, so yeah. Oh.
That's too far. That was so fucking far, dude. Oh my god.
At least you're in your zone land now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been.
Yeah, well. Oh, you just don't want me to quit, do you? Yeah, you do. That's it.
Oh.
That's game.
But we're only 3 minutes in.
Alright, fine. We'll do this episode. After this, I'm gonna have to take a break, but we'll revisit this. Didn't PewDiePie revisited the fucking Sledgehammer game? I will come back stronger than ever. I'll train.
We'll have to get you an axe or a ninja star. We'll take you out in the woods.
Okay, this is where I need to be. This is this spot. Okay.
I may not have it all, but together we have it all. Wait, that's not even close to the saying I want to say. I'm not where I. Oh, fuck. Where's my phone? I'm gonna get this saying out just for you. It's gonna be inspirational. It's what you're gonna need to pass this game. Oh god.
I gotta think.
Gotta think. Think.
Think.
Think. Do the Steve from Blue's Clues.
Yep, that's it. That was so easy. This game is fucking not even hard.
Oh, screenshots.
That's the best fucking line we've had all day. Oh man.
Okay, I'm not.
You've got to be fucking shitting me.
That's
not
wood,
terrible.
by the way.
That is not awful though.
I'm not where I need to be, but thank God I'm not where I used to be. That's the saying for you. That's what's gonna get you through this. Just throw it right at that piece of wood right there. Just go straight down. Okay. And then...
Jesus fucking Christ, this fucking... I just get so fucking sick and tired of yourself. I'm so fucking sick and tired of you.
You almost have the angle every single time.
Yeah, I know, right? I don't like going from the other spot.
Because there's more chance of falling down.
I like this spot. But I just,
Even though it's harder.
I was about there, so I gotta...
You got it mentally in your mind now.
I know, but I'm gonna hit the same exact spot, almost guaranteed. Yep.
Good enough.
I don't think I can I don't even think I can get on the fucking...
I thought it was gonna catch
yeah,
you.
I know. I don't know how many times I've hit that stupid fucking barrel, and it just goes here. You think you can get on me?
I think you're better off bypassing the barrel altogether.
Stick in the box. Stick in the fucking box. Stick in the box.
There's a stick in my box. That was almost a joke.
I don't. Like sometimes, yeah, like oh man, all day. If I want to fucking stick into that bitch, I can just fucking whatever I want. Whenever I want to stick into that, Daniel, you can just stick into me any day. You want to stick into that? Nope. But if you want to stick into the fucking most useless fucking thing in the whole fucking game, you can stick into it all day. All fucking day. You can stick into that. Don't give a fuck. Try and stick into that barrel, psych. Watch this. I guarantee you I don't stick into it. What did I fucking tell you? This game's fucked. Right up its fucking ass. This game can go fuck itself. It can go suck a fucking dick. And it could go buy and fucking hang itself with a fucking extension cord from the fucking ceiling fan, and then I'm gonna turn the fucking ceiling fan on. I swear to fucking God, and I'm gonna, every time they come flying back around on the ceiling fan, I'm gonna hit them with a fucking plastic wiffle ball bat. Yep, this game is so fucking good that I just don't even know what to do with myself. I just want to fucking pick it up, and I want to hug it and love it, and then just profusely slam its head off the ground by its legs in a matter that I should fucking go to jail for. Because this game is probably a couple years old. Deep breath.
Go to the right. I thought it didn't stick for a second. Okay. That was a nail for all you that didn't see.
Okay, we just got it.
In the tree. Nope. No, kinda.
In the tree.
Are you okay?
Fuck, dude, come on.
Whoa!
I'm not that mad now. I'm mad. I'm so mad. Okay.
That's not the worst thing that could happen.
No. That's what this game's all about, the small victories. That's some fucking bullshit. Holy Christ. You just come in here, you think you own the fucking place, but you fucking don't. You don't fucking own this. Daniel fucking owns this place. Fucking, this game, you don't fucking own shit. You don't fucking own me, I own you.
I'm not stuck in here with you. You're stuck in here with me.
I can verbally abuse you all day.
I don't want to make you mad, but can I ask why do you go to the right and instead of just jumping the tree completely?
What tree?
That one right there.
I know, because I just want Oh, I tried that. It's all about the trick shots now, baby.
Do you want me to tell you how much time you have left?
I don't know, I might be down for another episode.
Are you? Really?
If I can get over to the fucking right again. Okay.
I'm gonna make this a little bit overtime just to see where this goes. This is the deciding moment for you. Whether we do another episode. I'll give it another 30 seconds.
That was so good. Oh. Throwing in the towel. Till next time.
We're gonna log it down here.
I'll be back.
So much for watching. Thank you.
I'll be back. Checking out. Jesus.
Go cool off. I'm gonna log it down here. Subscribe, become your cute Daniel on future content, and we'll see you in whatever we do next. Like and share this with your friends. Don't kill my cat, please. He didn't do anything.